Several properties of matter can be measured, and these properties are quantitative in nature. Means जो matter है उसकी जो physical properties हैं they can be measured. So today's topic is unit of measurement, which is from the unit some basics concepts of chemistry, unit number 1, class 11. Physical properties can be measurable, for example length, mass, area, volume, and they can be have a specific unit. They are known as standard units and they are quantitative in nature. किसी भी चीज को अगर हमने मेजर करना है, it must be have a standard. For example, if we have to buy milk, we will tell then we need in a liter or milliliter. If we have to be find out the volume, then we have to be tell that it is a centimeter cube or a meter cube. Means हमें वो जो स्पेसिफिक थिंग है वो पता होनी चाहिए कि इन विच वी आर फाइंडिंग इट आउट. सो स्टैंडर्ड रेफरेंस, हमें अगर हम बॉडी टेम्परेचर लेते हैं, इट शुड बी आइदर इन फ़ारेनहाइट, केल्विन और डिग्री सेल्सियस. मीन्स यूनिट मस्ट बी देयर, a standard unit must be there which is all over the world, can be means जिसे हम लोग एकदम मानते हैं कि wherever we will go that particular physical quantity can be measured in that particular unit. For example, the physical quantity represented by a number, जैसे कि हमने लिख दिया this scale is 10 centimeter और 15 centimeter. अगर मैं सेंटीमीटर नहीं लिखती, it is just a numerical figure. So we have to be tell it's a basic unit that in which unit we are finding or reading it or we are measuring it. That is the, otherwise ये क्या होता, it is only a numerical figure. There are two type of measurement system, that is English system and metric system. Metric system which was originated in France and more convenient as compared to English system. But nowadays we are using international system of units. International system of unit is discovered by 11th General Conference on Weight and Measurement. It was originated or developed in France. And in France, it is known as Le Système International de Unites. Here the 7 basic जो हमारे फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स हम मेजर करेंगे और किस किस मैटर की फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी के लिए हम यूज करते हैं वो हम विद सिंबल, विद यूनिट एंड सिंबल ऑफ यूनिट हम देखेंगे. सो देयर आर बेसिक 7 फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स एंड ये वो हमारे यूनिट्स हैं, ये उनके सिंबल हैं और ये वो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है जिसे हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. For example, length. Length is a physical quantity of matter, can be measured in meter. Meter is a international standard unit for length, having symbol m. Length का जो symbol है that is L and unit का जो symbol है that is m. The second physical quantity of matter, that is a mass, having a symbol m, which is measured in a kilogram with the symbol kg. But in labs we are not taking the quantity in kgs, we are mostly using in grams. But जो standard unit है that is a kilogram. But while we are performing experiments we are using in grams. Time is a physical quantity of a matter having a symbol t, unit second, and the symbol of second is s. Normally we are talking the time in hours and days and years and a month, but जो हमारा standard unit है that is a second and having a unit s. The next physical quantity of matter is electric current having symbol I, and SI unit जो है that is ampere and the symbol is A. Thermodynamic temperature, it is also a physical property. Here the temperature can be calculated in Fahrenheit, in a Kelvin and in a degree Celsius. But the international जो हमारा system of unit है, here the Kelvin is the SI unit having a symbol K. We can simply convert degrees Celsius into Kelvin. How we can convert it? By simply we can add degrees Celsius plus 273.15 in order to make it a Kelvin. तो आपको अगर डिग्री सेल्सियस में टेम्परेचर पता है, you can easily convert it into Kelvin. Then the next physical quantity of a matter, that is a amount of a substance, that is having a symbol n. ये हमारी जो physical property है उसका symbol n है, and here the unit is a mole. 1 mole of anything is having a 6.022 10 to the power 23 atom, ions or particles. Here जो 1 mole है that is the SI unit to measure amount of substance, and here the unit is having this symbol MOL, only there is a difference of a E. And the last basic unit जो physical हमारी quantity है that is a luminous intensity having a symbol I to base V. Unit is candela and it is having a symbol CD. These are the basic fundamental हमारी physical quantities with their physical basic units. Somehow we are having a derived units also. For example, or a derived physical quantity also. For example, if we will talk about the volume, if we will talk about the volume, if we will talk about the density, if we will talk about the speed, here we know that volume means that is a side into side into side. तो यहाँ पे हमें बेसिक यूनिट पता है, देन वॉल्यूम की जो यूनिट क्या हो जाएगी, दैट इज अ मीटर क्यूब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डेंसिटी, दैट इज द मास बाय वॉल्यूम, एंड हियर इफ वी नो मास and we know volume, we can derive its unit. Then what would be unit? That is a kg per meter cube. What will be the unit? Kg meter cube per meter cube. And speed, as we know that speed means what? Distance by time. Distance we are finding out in a meter and time we are finding out in s. So what would be the unit? That is a meter per second. So fundamental जो हमारे basic units हैं वो यही हैं. Fundamental जो basic हमारी physical quantities हैं, they are 7 only, but we can derive others from these fundamental units and from these fundamental जो हमारी quantities हैं. And see you soon next video with the another topic.